Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Kesang mah negasngi sauterik leber ula pentip hapok ke ying dorbar baka Sorkar Pdeng kala betha ya ke Sorkar jela bakan pynphai no ya ke pisa ke bakon arspa klur ya ke balamang ban shim jaka na ke bentaban pentre kam ya ke projek lynti rel ha Meghalaya. Ngimpat shim jaka nomar ke jing persat ka bajur ya ke jingwan ke lynti rel. Ngilayo pediang ya ke shithi na ke North East Frontier Railway NFR ha ka khanyo terik no pra arhajar arpusau. Kabala kentu yang i bangin haban pynphai no ya ka pisa namar om syam la pentre kam ya ka mentala nyo hadu prasnyam ong Conrad ha ka kentabu jingkeli. Namar ka dei ka kam ka bakhya shibun bat ka bakun rum kunram kumtaru ka Sorkar kam syam la penyat syakman ha ka bay dei bat ka jing thied jaka. Namar ka jing penslam ka Sorkar India menta ka labtha yang i bangin pynphai no ya ka ni ka pisa ula ong. MLA ka not Shillong uba adilbert nong rum ula penpau ya ke jing sngo ba kala bandon ka jing akren ba sop ka balam sya ke jing mang pisa ka ba arspa klur jong ka Sorkar Pdeng sya ke jela. Haba pynphai halor ka ne Chief Minister ula ong bakam syamla don ka nu ka jing akren sop namar ka ni ka pisa ka debit thik tang ha ka baya dei bar ka jing thied jaka. Kama shua usumbut Menteri Rangba uba khmi ya ka tanat transport uba snya bhalang dhar pentip ba ka ne ka pisa arspa klur lamang nadu ka lai photerik ulber arhajar khatnyo. Henry om syam lala ban pendon kam namar ka jing persya ka bajur na kitrai shnong bat namar ka jing bamyo jaka. Kumjuk ru ngim syam la yo ya ka nu ka no objection certificate na ka district council ula ong haba ka daw ya ka daw ka jing sakut jong ka ne ka project hadu kini kisngi. Halor ka jing keli lah ka ne ka project ka dei na ka bentaki rel kit briu ne kit mar Conrad ula pentip baka Sorkar kalaya kren haki babun kirinsan bat halor ka nongrim Henry kaladon ke jing persya ka bajur ia kini ke jing terwaban pentre ya ki lynti rel kumta ngim syam lala satyaban penyat syakman. Chief Minister ula kularu ba ka Sorkar kan ya selok bat baro ki kenhun beper haishwa ban shim ya ka rai ban pentre kam ia ki bakum kini ki projek ki bakongsan. Ngalaya kendu ru ya menteri badai khmi ha ki babun ki khap bat ha ka jing ya kendu ka bakhat du ngala aiksa ya menteri bangin omla satya ban penyat syakmat ya ke projek namar ka jing persya ka bajur ban pentre ya ki lynti rel ula ong. Haba penpau halor ka jingkong san jong ki lynti rel Chief Minister ula ong kum ka Sorkar ni sngo ba ka long ka badan kambha ya ka lynti rel haba khmi halor ka roy ka par limba ka jing penkit ya ki mar ki mata namar ka pensuk shibun ha ka liang ka kit ka ba ya ki mar na ka jela ba na shabar ka jela kumju.
I would like to know through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Honorable Minister had make a clear reply. A clear reply. So I would like to know since when this amount had made a sanction, and also I would like to know is there any timeline which has been fixed by the authority of railway or the government of India?
Mr. Speaker, sir, amount is sanctioned. It was on 30th March 2017, and yes, the project is delayed because of the reason due to the opposed by the local people and due to non-availability of land, and that is one of the reasons. So till today, the project is cannot go ahead. That is one of the reason, and also the main reason also till today we haven't received any NOC from this council, so therefore cannot move ahead. Now the project is completely held for the time being. That is why the amount is remain with DC or Deputy Commissioner in Ribau districts. There is no timeline, but at least during that time when the project is sanctioned in 2010, so because of the reason that due to the opposition from the local peoples, the project stands still till today.
May I get a clarity, Honorable Minister? You have said that this amount has been sanctioned 2010, way back 2010.
17.
Or 2017. Okay. So, so to get clarity and also to highlight the people of the state, because everyone are very much concerned about this very project. So I would like to know what is the criteria or the requirement which need to fulfill by the state of government, by the government of Meghalaya to avail this sanction amount of rupees 200 crores?
There is no criteria, Mr. Speaker, sir. The thing is that after the sanctions, we need to acquire the lands for land acquisition. This money is for land acquisition. So only when the land acquisition is complete, only then we can prepare the DPR, so we can go ahead with the project. So that is because of the land is unavailable. That is why the amount for the acquisition is still lying with the DC of the Meghalaya district.
I would like to get more clarification, Honorable Minister. It is highly impossible to accept the fact that without having any negotiation, so we just want to get a clear, a clear picture. So to get a clear picture, what is maybe the secret negotiation by the state government of Meghalaya with the government of India to avail such an amount? Because I don't think so the government of India will give a huge 200 crores without having any negotiation behind. Please.
Sir, I just want to supplement to the replies being given by the Honorable Deputy CM. Sir, it's actually very simple. There's nothing complicated. There is no secret talk, nothing. This money was given to the state government to acquire the land required for the railways. So it is for land acquisition. And that is amounting to 209 crores and 37 lakhs. The money was placed with the DC on the 30th of March 2017. So the purpose of this money was for the land acquisition, which could not take place because of local resistance. And as we have clarified many times in the press and to the people, that we would like to carry the people along with us in a very important decision like this. And hence, since there has been a delay, the money is lying unutilized. So it's not meant for construction or for any kind of development. It is for the first and basic purpose of land acquisition. So that's as simple as that, sir. And since we could not acquire the land, the money is unutilized, lying unutilized. And we have received a letter from the railways, from the Northeast Frontier Railways on the 17th of December 2024, asking us to refund the amount since it has not been utilized now for the past almost 7 to 8 years. Simple as that, sir. So no land has been acquired. That's the whole point, sir. Because as I said, there is a very strong resistance. We have been speaking to many stakeholders, officially, unofficially, discussing this. But since it is a very sensitive matter, hence government did not go ahead with any land acquisition. The money is lying with the DC. The entire amount is intact. And as I said, now the government of India has asked us to refund the money.
Whether the state government still actively continue, considering bringing this very project, I would like to get a clarification.
Sir, again, as I said, since this is linked with transport as well as political, I will reply to this. Sir, as a state government, we have strongly felt that there is a need for the railways from the economic perspective of transportation of goods. And it is something that would ease the overall transportation of different products into the state and out of the state. So, sir, the project is important for us. And as a state, it is going to lead to more economic development. It is going to allow the prices of products to be better in terms of the products coming in as well as the product going out, because transportation and logistics will become much more better for us. So therefore, there is no doubt that when it comes to goods, this is something that is good for us. It will reduce the overall logistics cost and it will benefit the masses and the business people in the state, our local entrepreneurs who are producing local products. And even during crisis times like the COVID, where we had to really rely on a lot of transportation from bordering states through trucks. If the lines had been there, we would be able to bring in a large number of products straight through the railway into our state. So therefore,